Hi and welcome back. I am making chicken chili fry. Now this is super delicious. It's a bit hot, but again, like any other recipe, you can change the heat according to your taste. So this is really hot. Today I'm going to control some of the chili, but you can make it even hotter or less spicier, your choice. The first thing is to dry roast the spices, which is the key. And I'm going to actually dry roast them and then crush them in a pestle and mortar, which is why I'm not going to use the whole cinnamon stick, but instead I'll use some cinnamon powder because it's much easier in pestle and mortar to grind it down. So I've got 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 4 to 6 dried red chilies, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom pod. The seeds are from the cardamom pods. So around say 6 to 8 cardamom pods. And I'm not going to add this cinnamon powder yet. A hot pan, medium hot, not very hot, and just literally dry roast it for a minute. And as soon as you get the smell and you can see that they are smoky, that's when you take it off the heat. Now this can go straight into my pestle and mortar, and I'm going to crush it to a rough powder. Now I'm not going to wash this pan because it's got all the lovely flavors from the spices. So in the same pan, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Then go in our red onions. Now I'm using really quite big red onions. So I would say 2 to 3 small red onions. And I'm going to cook it for say 10 minutes until they are nicely golden. Then go in our 3 cloves of grated garlic and 1 inch of ginger grated. Again, just cook it for a minute, and that's when we'll add our chicken to it. For the chicken, I'm using chicken breasts and a total of 1 kilo of skinless and boneless chicken breasts, and I'm going to chop them into 1-inch small pieces. 1 teaspoon of salt and all the chopped chicken. So I'm going to cook this on high heat for 10 minutes, and every 2-3 minutes I'm going to stir it because I want a lovely golden outside and just soft chicken. And that looks stunning. It smells incredible. I'm just so excited about this. So 1 teaspoon of turmeric goes into this ground powder, and then all of these spices mixed up together will go into the chicken. Right now I'm just going to add a lot of finely chopped coriander leaf stock, and that is going to give it really amazing fresh coriander leaf flavor. And you can see it's ready to be served. It's looking so tempting. And here it is, the chicken chili fry. And I really do hope we get smellometer soon because this smells amazing. And it was quite quick to make because the chicken is such small pieces. It only took 10 minutes to cook. And I don't want to overcook the chicken because then it's very chewy and it's not that nice. But I'm digging in. It's still hot, smells good. Wow. I could just have a bowl of this on its own. The chili is absolutely perfect. It's not too hot, but like I said, you have to adjust the heat according to your taste or how your family likes the food. So yes, please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you back next week. If there's anything specific you want me to cook on this channel, then leave a comment. And yeah, This is lovely. You can have this with naan, you can have this with rice, but to be very honest, this is brilliant on its own.